Now, what is this video about? Well, I guess today is the day to check out this Jacuzzi bathtub. It has not been working, and it used to work sporadically on and off. There's a push button little keypad right there, and sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't work. And I had always thought, okay, look at that. See there? E06. That flashes every once in a while, and I was going to look on the internet and go to Hydro Max and the Max and find it and put in E06 and find out what that was. Never did it, never did it, never did it. I procrastinated about it, and I was off visiting my mother a few months ago, and my wife, she contacted an electrician, a handyman type person. He did something to our refrigerator that had not been working for the ice machine ever since we got it. And then she had him look at this. Now, how on earth are you going to inspect this? Now, usually on a tub like this, that's a jacuzzi tub, you'll either see an inspection cover on the wall here somewhere, or if it's on an exterior wall, which this one's on an exterior wall, do you know that there should be an inspection cover out there? I have seen it, I have never gone into it. And we're going to do that because my wife claims that the guy got in there and he was looking around, and the insulation, there was insulation in here, around here, and it looked like a rat had chewed on one of the wires, and she's pretty adamant about the fact that this is not working because a rat chewed on a wire. Now, I'm thinking to myself, if a rat chewed on a wire, how come this thing goes on E06 every once in a while? It'll flash E06. That tells me there's power to it, but maybe the wire, see, there it is again, E06. Maybe the wire is not chewed through all the way, but she's pretty sure that the guy had told her that, hey, if you just replace the end or do something with these wires, she's pretty sure this will work. So that's what we're going to check out. If you want to watch that, that's what this video is about. Now, I gave my wife my word that I would go and check this out when she was gone this weekend. Okay, so she's gone, and I thought, okay, I've got to do this. So I've got my sweatshirt on, I've got my back support on, I got my knee brace on, I got my goggles on, I've got even some toilet paper in my ears because it's cold outside. It's winter, okay? So we're gonna go outside, and we're gonna check this out. See, I've got my knee pad here, my gloves here, I've got a flashlight, a screwdriver. Yeah, I have not been out here yet to check this. I wanted you to see what I see. Okay, so first off, I see, sure enough, there's an inspection cover here, okay? So like I say, if you've got a jacuzzi tub and it's on an exterior wall, chances are you're gonna have something like this, okay, somewhere. And what is that? I don't know what that is, but okay, so I've got to get my screwdriver. See, there's two little slots on the screws. You just turn it sideways and this should pop open. I have never been in there. Can you believe that? Today's the day, and you're coming with me.